If you're getting the Photopea out of memory error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to fix it without losing your work, and I'll also show you what to do before you refresh the page so you can protect your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First and most important, save your project immediately as a PSD file. Before you do any troubleshooting that refreshes the browser or clears memory, press Command+S on Mac or Control+S on Windows. This exports your current project to your local drive, so even if Photopea crashes or the page reloads, you still have a backup of your work. Once your file is safely saved, the next step is to close high memory background tabs. Browsers share memory across all open tabs, so if you have a lot of heavy pages running in the background, Photopea may not have enough room to work properly. On Chrome or Edge, press Shift+Escape to open the browser's built-in task manager. Then sort the list by memory usage and close anything that is eating a lot of resources, such as video streams, social media feeds, or other web apps. If possible, run Photopea in a standalone browser window with as few other tabs open as possible. Now let's reduce document overhead inside the file itself. If your canvas is extremely large or if your layer count is too high, you may be hitting the browser's memory limits. Start by checking your canvas size. Go to Image, then Image Size, and reduce excessive pixel dimensions if your project allows it. If you only need a standard export size, lowering the resolution or changing DPI to a more normal setting can make a huge difference. Next, look for large smart objects. Smart objects are useful, but they can also consume a lot of memory in big projects. If you no longer need to keep something editable, right-click the Smart Object layer and choose Rasterize. That converts it into a regular layer and can reduce the processing load. You should also merge layers where possible. If you already finished a section of the design, flatten completed layer stacks or merge hidden groups that you are no longer actively editing. The fewer active layers Photopea has to manage, the better your chances of avoiding the out-of-memory error. If you are still running into the problem, another very effective fix is switching to Firefox. For very large files, especially high DPI print designs or canvases with massive pixel dimensions, Firefox often performs better than Chromium-based browsers. Chromium has a hard allocation cap, and a single tab can run into memory limits when WebAssembly needs a huge contiguous block. Firefox uses a different memory model, and in some cases it can handle ultra-high resolution documents more smoothly. So if Chrome or Edge keeps failing, install Firefox or open the same project there and test whether Photopea loads more reliably. In many cases, that simple browser switch is enough to get the file open again. Finally, if Photopea is still unstable, reload the page only after your PSD is safely saved. Refreshing the tab can clear built-up history and undo buffers, which may free memory and help the editor recover. But again, do not refresh first. Always save locally before you reload, so the full fix is simple. Save as PSD, close memory-heavy tabs, reduce document size and layer overhead, try Firefox, and then reload only when your backup is safe. That combination solves most Photopea out-of-memory errors and helps you keep working without losing progress. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.